Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung anong parating sa inyo in the next 7 days. From the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Taurus, let's see. Energies for you in the next 7 days. What is coming? Community. Maaring mas magsusocialize kayo ngayon. Going out. Oo. Maaring meron kang iiwanang situation na napapagod ka na kasi paulit-ulit na lang yung eksena, na paulit-ulit na lang yung problema, yung issue. This can be a relationship na parang merong cycle of toxicity na tipong magkakaayos, tapos gano'n na naman, magkakaroon ng problema. I see you na you are taking a risk in starting something new in your life. You are going to a new direction. Kumbaga, alam mo na kung ano yung mas makakabuti sa'yo. Kahit na medyo kinakabahan or natatakot ka dito sa bagong experience na to or bagong chapter na to ng buhay mo, but alam mo sa sarili mo na ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng kalayaan, no? Kalayaan na magawa yung gusto mo, or kalayaan to, just be yourself and be more authentic. Some of you will meet new friends, new connections, you will be part of a community. Sasali ka sa kahit yung online community like sa Facebook group, or you will start your own platform like sa Facebook rin, or sa social media, or any social media platform. You will gain more attention, and I see you na mas magiging masaya ka doon, na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo at malaya kang gawin yung mga gusto mo. Let's see what else, Taurus. You have the Queen of Cups, water sign energy. Maaring meron kayong water placement. This is about your emotions, your instinct, your intuition. And also magiging creative ka rin, no? Or meron kang sisimulang creative work with someone. So maaring part to ng community na kinabibilangan mo, or pwedeng sa trabaho. Meron kayong aayusin or gagawin proyekto together. Kung ikaw ay creative na tao, maaring meron kang mga magsisimulang partnership or business partnership or creative na projects na you need to sign a contract. Okay. So, in signing a contract, you have to make sure na pinag-aralan mo talaga before getting into a commitment or an agreement. You have the 9 of Cups. This is wish fulfillment, happiness. Maaring meron kang matutupad na ninanais mo. I also see some misunderstanding with someone, kasi meron dito na nami-misinterpret yung pagiging tahimik mo. At iniisip na meron kang hindi magandang intention sa taong yon. Minsan kasi yung iba nagja-judge if someone is too quiet or silent. Hindi siya palakibo, ganyan. Or hindi masyado nagsishare ng personal niyang buhay. So maaring meron dito na medyo nagdududa sa'yo, or iniisip niya kung ikaw ba ay authentic or totoo ka ba sa iyong sarili. Kaya lang kasi maaring yung iba sa inyo, kaya hindi kayo nagsishare ng mga ibang information, or hindi kayo palagay sa taong to, is because nararamdaman nyo rin na meron tong hindi magandang intention towards you, or this person can be very competitive of you. 'Di ba? You have the 8 of Wands, so there is a travel opportunity for you. Vacation din to, maaring may celebration, merong main event like ikakasal, or merong mag-birthday within the family or a family member. Pero yung iba sa inyo rito ay nagdadalawang isip kung a-attend kayo. Oo. Kasi pwedeng merong conflict. Meron kayong conflict with someone na hindi kayo sigurado kung ito bang taong to is pag umattend kayo dun sa event na yon magiging okay lahat, no? Alam mo yun, tipong wala na bang awkwardness or magkakaayos ba kayo? Kasi pwedeng merong ilangan. I'm sensing ilangan dito. Let's say for example, reunion. So, iniisip mo na baka yung person na matagal mo nang hindi kinakausap dahil nagkaroon kayo ng falling out or nagkaroon kayo ng problema before, baka makita mo siya sa reunion, ganun. Tapos, magkailangan kayo. Ooh, definitely, Taurus, may wish granted for you. Yung hard work mo, it will pay off. There's also good luck, abundance, blessing sa'yo. You also have protection. O, ayan. So, kailangan protectionan mo yung energy mo. Huwag mong hayaan na mabilis kang maapektuhan ng mga nangyayari sa paligid mo na alam mong hindi naman yan galing sa'yo. So, pwedeng na-pick up mo lang from somewhere. I feel like meron kang can be ika-cut off na person sa buhay mo or iiwasan mo because you feel like this person is somehow controlling towards you or parang siya yung reason kung bakit hindi mo na ipapakita yung totoong ikaw. Alam mo yun? So, pwedeng hindi ka ganun ka komportable na kasama tong taong to. Yan o, may blockage. So, I think yan yung tatanggalin mo na blockage. You also have confinement. So, itong confinement is parang pag solitude, pag-iwas sa mga taong ayaw mong makasama. And you will choose to be in a peaceful and quiet situation na walang nakikialam sa mga ginagawa mo. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, this can be a vacation sa isang beach resort, or magre-rent ka ng Airbnb na maganda yung place wherein magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan ng isip para mag-decide for your future plans. Meron ding pressure dito. Ano tong bakit may pressure? If you are someone na creative at meron kang kailangan tapusin, gawin, asikasuhin na creative projects, I think kailangan mong kumalma at kumbaga wag ka magpa-pressure kasi lalong wala kang matatapos, wala kang ma-accomplish. Possible rin na nagkakaroon ka ng creative blockage na kung meron kang gustong gawin, lalo na kung ito may kinalaman sa work mo or sa productivity mo, minsan ino-overthink mo yung mga bagay-bagay. Tapos, mas lalo kang walang natatapos. So, focus on your goal para marami kang maka-accomplish. Wow! Abundance. Tinan mo yan, dollars. Yung iba sa inyo, maaaring kumikita kayo ng dollars. Nasa abroad or work from home kayo, tapos ang client ninyo, you are being paid with dollars. Being a thoughtful steward for the money you already have is the secret to creating more abundance. When you trust yourself to handle more, that's when more shows up. Yes. So, I think, mas pahahalagahan mo yung iyong mga blessings, lalo na yung mga financial blessings na nare-receive mo. Some of you, maaring i-investo yung pera ninyo sa ibang paraan para mas lalo mo pang mapalago kung ano yung meron ka financially. Possibilities. Marami kang ideas ngayon, no? Focus your attention on what could go right. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy an experience twice. So, focusing your attention sa mga bagay na kung ano yung magiging maayos, no? Kaysa sa negative thinking tayo na nakakapagbigay patuloy ng anxiety or frustration, no? So, mas maganda raw na positibo ang iyong pananaw sa buhay para ma-attract mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mong ma-attract sa buhay mo. Which is, of course, abundance, financial stability, some of you, relationships. So, it doesn't matter kung ano yung gusto nyong i-attract sa isip nyo, sa buhay nyo, as long as positibo yung mindset nyo dahil ito ay mamamanifest nyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.